Yeah, on the corner of 9th and 4th, Mountain Home, Idaho. We have the yellow house, and she has, this is one of my customers, she has tons and tons of flowers. People from, I guess around the world, they come over and just take pictures of her flowers and everything. It's just, and this is only the beginning of the summer, and later on it's going to be filled up with lots of more flowers than this. But I was going to show you, it's been a real rainy summer so far over here, and it's taken me forever to finish this. But the mural I did over here, and I just finished up, and the only time I can get it good lighting is in the morning time when the sun's not hitting it. Over there, you see, is Carla Miller Park, and that right there is American Legion right there. So it's fairly close to a public, well, real close to a public park. And this is the end results of the mural. And I just want to show you the details of it and the close-up of it. Oops, sunlight. So if you want to see it from face to face, oh, what she's going to do is she's going to get green carpet, or outdoor carpet or whatever, to do the mural, or to tie in with the mural. Hi, this is Randy Miller from Thank You Painting, and thank you for watching the video. Hey, if you got any comments, or if you got any questions, or if you want to order a mural, or just whatever, email me. I'm glad to come over and do any murals for you. I'm starting to travel around the country, so doesn't matter where you're at. I'll come to you. Alright? Thank you.